Head relaxation. Step 1. Alternate thumb strokes upwards on the forehead. Step 2. Divide and separate from the brow center to both sides of the eyebrow ends. Step 3. Gently point and lift the Jingming acupoint. Step 4. Gently stroke the entire eye area. Step 5. Please press and rub both sides of the Taiyang acupoint. Pay attention to not use too much force. Step 6. Rub and knead both sides of the auricles. Step 7. Rub and knead both sides of the neck. Step 8. After joining palms, gently tap the Baihui acupoint on the top of the head with fingers. Step 9. Hold the chin with one hand and lift upwards. Step 10. Use finger knuckles to push and rub both sides of the top of the head for relaxation. Learn it quickly and try it on your family. Did you know that a simple chest massage could be the key to muscle relaxation and stress relief? This traditional home wellness technique works wonders for releasing muscle tension throughout your upper body. The gentle massage specifically targets your chest, shoulder, and back muscles, helping to release deep-seated tension from poor posture and long hours of desk work. It's amazing how this basic method can effectively relieve muscle stiffness, reduce body aches, and improve overall flexibility. By focusing on the chest area, it helps release tension in surrounding muscles, making your whole upper body feel more relaxed and comfortable. The massage also helps improve blood circulation, which means better oxygen delivery to your tired muscles. This natural approach not only soothes physical discomfort but also helps calm your nervous system, making it easier to unwind after a long day. The best part? It's just a simple, traditional method that anyone can learn, no special tools or training needed. Just a few minutes of this soothing practice can make a significant difference in how your muscles feel, helping you maintain better posture and experience less physical tension throughout the day. The shoulder and neck are the crossroads of our body, connecting the head above and the limbs below. Today I will teach you how to relax this area, starting with the first step. Step 1. Divide and push the trapezius muscles on both sides with the pads of your thumbs. Step 2. Push the governing vessel in the middle. Step 3. Push the bladder meridian on the left and right sides. Step 4. Push the scapula on the left and right sides. Step 5. Straight push with a clenched fist to strengthen the entire shoulder and neck area. Then push the scapular area and the trapezius muscle. Finally, soothe and relax the upper back muscles. Gently lift the Feng Qi acupoint. Our arms have 3 meridians: the heart meridian, the pericardium meridian, and the lung meridian. Today, I will teach you how to unblock the meridians of the arms. First step, use both thumbs to push straight to the armpits. Second step, use both thumbs to separate and pluck to both sides. Third step, make a fist and use your knuckles to push. Fourth step, use your thumbs alternately in a Z-shaped push. Fifth step, use the thenar eminences of both hands for palm rubbing and relaxation. Abdominal massage relaxation techniques. Step 1. First, evenly apply massage oil to the abdomen. Step 2. Alternately push the meridian with both palms. Step 3. Straight push the middle abdomen with both thumbs. Step 4. Point knead both sides of the meridian with both thumbs, then retract from both sides. Step 5. Overlap both hands and press and knead around the navel for one circle, clockwise to relieve constipation, counterclockwise to relieve diarrhea. Step 6. Strengthen by circling the navel with finger knuckles. Step 7. Push the navel back and forth horizontally with the elbow. Step 8. Press and knead both sides of the meridian with finger knuckles. Step 9. Press and knead in circles with a single clenched fist, expanding the massage area. Step 10. Pinch and knead the meridian on both sides of the waist.
Every part of the body has a corresponding switch on the soles of the feet. Before going to sleep, from top to bottom, from left to right, thoroughly press on every spot without missing any. Over time, you'll find the corresponding parts will improve. If you're afraid of hurting your hand or can't press deeply enough, you can use this wooden acupoint press massager. Even if you can't find the exact corresponding switch, you can still follow along with this video and go through the process.